Well, just dug Mark and Lisa out from the Northerners on tour. They're gone. And we're staying for another night. And then we're heading to Cullen to see another couple of our friends. We're stopping on a new air there. Yeah, I like Cullen. So we'll show you around there, because there's a lovely pub there and it does Cullen Skink. Have you ever had that? Well, I'll eat it and show you. How's that, eh? See you in a bit. Woo! We got off there all right. It's very slushy today. It's been absolutely pilling it down with sleet most of the night, so it's turned into this grim alabim crap that you have to deal with after the pretty snow. Anyway, I'm just going to shut the gate. When you book on this site in Goldsby, once you've booked and given your details over, they give you the gate key code. Let's just look up. Sit down. Right, now I'm going to take my snow boots off, so I don't need them now. I'm on, literally, Northerners on tour. Our friends left yesterday as they pulled off a flipping Britta come down here and snowplowed it all off. So at the moment, it's not looking too bad. So these things, these snow socks, round over the back, pull them like so, and they're literally in the opposite direction when you put them on. So you just pull that down like that. And then I've got to drive off them. But they are brilliant, saved their bacon many a time. Anyway, we're off to Cullen to catch up with some friends, and I'll see you when I get there. That's what we pack up into. Thing like that. Well, there we are. Right, let's go. You lot, we are now in Cullen. Look at this little view behind me, lot. And what have we just seen? Whoa, we've seen some special things this morning. I got this text earlier on. I'll put that up now so you can see it. How cool's that? And I'll put a little video in now so you can have a look at it right at the start of the video. Isn't that nice? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, Raven's having a moan up. And we're here with two special people. And here's one of them. Yay! David and Lindsay. Oh, there you go. Oh, comes some doggies. From Desmond's Donders. We come to actually met him at last. There's David over there. Let's go and show you David. There he is, look. There's the man. Got that text this morning, I was well excited. So we're going to go and have a walk around Cullen today. We've been here before with our friends Jason and Jackie. And we went to the Royal, is it the Royal Oak? Up there, the Royal Oak pub. And we had a very special soup that I know Lindsay don't like. Cullen Skink. Oh, it was lovely. It's like a smoked fish soup with potatoes and cream and that. It's flipping lovely. I'll have that for lunch. But we're going to have a walk around the town today, which we didn't do before. Go and have a look, see what shops are there, and see what we can find. So we're going to take you with us. Right, so we're off now for our little walk. David's come out to say hello. There he is. Hello. Look, I've got a beard envy. How does he grow a beard like that? It's like my dad. He's like, all of a sudden wakes up in the morning, he's got a great big beard. Yeah. I'm going to have to grow mine, aren't I? But cat weasel, that's a bit bad, isn't it? Have you got a little toad called Touchwood?
Cat weasel's got more hair than I have.
Yeah, that's because you keep making me cut it.
Oh, I need a haircut later. Good idea. So we're going to go and have a look around town now. David's going to stay here and keep his eyes out for the dolphins. Old Hawkeye. But I'm going to come back later as well and do some wildlife photography. There's some nice red shank down there and oyster catchers and stuff. So we're going to see if we can get some of those on shot. But the dolphins were flipping amazing, weren't they? Absolutely brilliant. Right, off to the shops.
Enjoy the shops.
Thank you very much. David don't like shopping. Don't blame him.
David doesn't.
See you in a bit, mate. I'm just counting the spaces, the bays in this air. And Lindsay's just gone. It's 13. But we're on Cullen Air. It's a Campri Air. I'll leave the link below to it. But they're nice, flat bays. Look. David and Lindsay's in pole position. Side window out. We've backed into that one. I've just got the chocks out of the van, stuck them under the front. Don't really need them because they're nice and flat. But here you've got waste disposal, grey waste disposal, obviously waste disposal, toilet disposal, and fresh water, and a barrier. No bins here. However, there's a dog bin over there, and a bin. I don't know if you can see in the distance in front of the ladies. There's a bin over there. It looks like a council bin, so you could use that. And there's a car park there. But what you do is you phone up or you email, pays your money. It's £10 a night here. Lovely. £10 a night. Once you've paid, they give you the number to get in. And then you can walk from here into town. And there's a little footpath there that goes up the top there. We went up yesterday when we got here and we got fish and chips from, what's it, Linda's Fish and Chip Shop. Oh, that was nice. Stick a picture up here now of that. That was well nice. I had the fish basket. Oh, couldn't eat it all. There's loads there. But that's a really nice little area there. As you can see, it's only us there. £10 a night in this spot here. Look at that. Now they put the air in because of some unscrupulous van lifers that turn up here. And they basically filled this whole parking area up. Had campfires, barbecues and everything out, and there was about 6 inches apart. Very dangerous. So it caused a problem, so they thought we'd put an air in there, and then the money from that can go to the local community. Top stuff. Happy days. Yeah, you can use this bin here. So let's walk in to see the town. Yeah. Here we go. There's Norman's Weatherstone here, look. This is the local weather reporting system. So if the stone's wet, it's raining. If the stone's dry, it's not raining. There's a shadow on the ground, it's sunny. White on top, it's snowing. Can't see stone, foggy. Swinging stone, windy. Stone jumping up and down. Earthquake, stone gone. Tornado. How cool's that? It's really good. We're coming down the quayside now. What's that say? Oh, is that a horse or a dog? It's either horses or dogs you can't have there. You can't have them there. Come on, Raven. But there we go. Look. Look at that. What a nice little harbour side. Lovely. Nice little beach down there. Oh, that is. Was that a sheep? Could be a sheep. But that's the access, the pontoon access there. And you've got these little sheltered bays in here where you can get your boats in. But look at that. Absolutely stunning. Now Lindsay tells me that there are harbour porpoises that get on this stretch of water, minke whale, dolphins, bottlenose dolphins, and they've even seen a, what whale was it, Lindsay? Humpback or the whale?
They've had humpbacks in the thing.
They've had humpbacks out there as well.
And orcas.
Oh, and orcas, so cetacean washes and minkies, yeah. So if you want to see one, as we did, it's a nice little area. Probably banged out in the summertime though. But what a lovely bit of beach there, isn't it? Smashing. I like it here. Well, nice, isn't it? So in the distance there, there's arches, and those there, it's a train viaduct. Now viaduct has got a road or a train track on, and an aqueduct has obviously got water on. But you can walk over it, can you? So you can walk along there as well. But that's brilliant, isn't it? But that's how you get into Cullen. You go basically, you go underneath, you go through those bridges down the road, past the Royal Oak pub where they do nice Cullen Skink. Drive along the front of that harbour there, round on this road, all the way down, past those blue doors, and then you go into the air from there. Or you can come in the other way, but we was warned yesterday, because there was quite a lot of snow and ice about, not to come the back route, to come down the main route and then come down the front there. But there was a lot of snow about yesterday, a lot of slush, and it's all gone. Happy days. Yeah, like it here already. We've seen the dolphins, haven't we? And how good to use lot, eh? Hey, dolphins. Brilliant. So Lindsay was just telling us that up there, that little bit on the hill there, was Cullen Castle, and that was Robert the Bruce's favourite spot. His second wife's favourite spot.
Elizabeth de Burgh.
Elizabeth. So if you want any information on all the spots around here and lots of history and walks around and some absolutely fantastic drone footage from David, get over and subscribe to Desmond's Donders. Really nice people. You can't go wrong. Their information they give out on their channel is absolutely flipping brilliant. I love watching the guys. Really good. We've been meaning to meet up for flipping ages, but you know it's like when you're in a van, you move. So we've just missed each other for ages, but we've caught up for a cup of tea and a wee dram. Oh, look at this, look. There's a local train if you want to get about, or not. So we're coming to High Street now, underneath this bridge. Now that's Linda's Cafe and Linda's Fish and Chip Shop. Now that little bit where it says Linda's Cafe, or Caf, you can sit in there and have your fish and chips, and that's dog friendly. And there's a takeaway there, a Scottish Chippy Awards. And the lady there that runs it, obviously, Linda, is a master fryer. But the fish and chips out of there are absolutely gorgeous.
There's an ice cream shop.
Oh, there's an ice cream shop. Oh, yeah, we need an ice cream to warm us up. There's the first shop. But this looks like a little charity shop. Oh my God, here we go. Sammy's sped up, look. Look at that old bike. like an old rally. That's well cool, isn't it? Look at the stuff in here.
Really micronauts.
Oh yeah, micronauts. Oh, I love these Scottish charity shops. There's so much good stuff in here. Gonna need a bigger van. There she goes. Lost her. He looks a bit cold. What a lovely shop. I'm gonna have to go in there. This is called Cullen Collectibles. Got some cracking stuff in there. See if I've got some. See if there's stuff in here for me mate Dan for his channel. Look at that. Look. What do you think of it so far? Rubbish. Oh, golf bats. Yeah, I'm gonna have a mooch in there. Look at it. Skis. There's an old singer-sound machine. Oh, it's well good, isn't it? Got to go and have a look. That is well worth a look. You've got to go in there. The guy's been there from 2006, he said. There's so much stuff in here, it's absolutely unbelievable. Everything you could want in there. She found. Come on, let's drag her away from here quick.
There's a clarinet in there.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's go. Garden house trading. Cards, gifts and interiors. It's like a little crafty type home shop. This is another car park here. As you can see. And we're up by this monument. Now I'll ask Lindsay what that's all about. Because if you want to know anything about anything around here, Lindsay and David are the people to talk to. It's like walking around with their very own tour guide. She was saying that Robert the Bruce's second wife, Elizabeth, was buried up there apparently. But it's a cracking little spot. There's another little bits and bobs shut up the way there. What's that there? Rock pools, little cafe. Little ironmongery tool shop there. I'm going to go in there and then we're going to head up there. I thought I'd take you for a little walk around here. It's just packed with history. That's a really nice little spot. Cullen. It's on the little stretch of road that goes around the top of the country where Findhorn, Keith, Nairn, Foxshabbers are along that top part. I've got a little picture up there where it is, but yeah, gotta be worth a little look round here. Happy flipping days, eh? So these dotted about all over the place. There's a bike repair station, look. All your tools, a little pump, whether it still works or not, I don't know. All your tools and that you need to repair your bike if you're on a cycling trip up here. Ain't that good? Little place to bolt your bike. Stand so you can put it up while you're repairing it. Yeah, it's pocket that, isn't it? When we come up to get our fish and chips last night, this was a skating rink, this car park. Someone come round there in a BMW, got to there, that was it, no more. And I had to reverse all the way back down there and then turn round. See a couple of cars stuck yesterday because it was bloody cold. It's warmed up now, it's quite nice, quite mild to be fair, but we've got a big storm coming in tomorrow. High winds, big storm, so I think we're going to go to Findhorn, to the air there, the Campra air there, and I'll show you around there because that's a nice little spot as well. Not a lot there, it's just very pretty, set amongst the sand dunes, well worth a little punt. So I think we're going to hunker down there and wait for this high winds to pass by, and then we're going to head off elsewhere, see if we can meet another couple of friends. Say these videos I'm going to be doing now, we're trying to catch up with as many people as we can that I've been promising to visit and see for a long time. Got a really dear old friend of mine lives in Ayrshire. I'm going to go and visit him, Kenny, and then another friend of mine, Jeff, who lives around the same area luckily, and he's a wildlife photographer. So we're going to go out and do some good stuff with the cameras. That'd be good. So keep watching for that. If you've not subscribed, subscribe and ding that bell so you get the notifications, and then you'll see it all, won't you? more JP. What's not to like? There they are, look. I think I might have done a wrong in here. David, why didn't you tell me? I think David's got the right idea, sitting there in a nice warm camper van watching for the dolphins. What a plonker, Rodney. It's lovely in here. This is garden house trading that I was just showing you outside. But I've bought some stuff. Look at it here. Some great stuff. Look. Lovely wee shop. I like these coos. Now, Highland cows are supposed to be this colour. Everyone thinks they're this colour. That's the original Highland coo. A black one. I like him. But I've got one of those. That's what I just bought. And that, you are amazing, remember that. And you all are amazing. Thank you so much for watching my videos and your lovely comments. You're all beautiful people. It's lovely in here, look. Oh, little bits and bobs, bits and bats, as Dan and Mazzy say. Very cool. Really nice. I asked the lady if I could do a little video in here. She went, yeah, go for it. Yeah. I've spent some money. And Sammy never.
See, I think that's a memorial for the wars there. Behind that, there was like a lighthouse. But you can see the dolphins on the fences.
Yeah.
I think that's a war memorial.
Ah, so up there, that dome-shaped thing is a war memorial. It's got lots of names, so there'll be the locals that lost their lives fighting for this country that's been let go to pot by a few unscrupulous folk. Just leave it there, eh? And there's toilets there, public toilets in this car park, so you won't be without a toilet. That's the Heritage Centre there, which do food. I don't know if that's open. But there's another little knick-knack shop over the back there and a gallery. Oh, and another local handcrafted shop. That's good. Going now. So I bought some stuff out of there. I shouldn't be left unattended when I go in shops. Wicked! Look at what I've seen. There's only a seafood shop over there. Oh, well happy. Got to walk up this side first because they want to look up here, but there's a seafood shop. Look at this. Cullen Antique Centre and an old church. Now, if you see our video on Norwich, there was loads of churches there all changing that thing. And Lindsay's just told me there's one around here as well that's been turned into a restaurant, and it's called Inspire. Boom boom. Look at that, what a fantastic building. Wow. Yeah, that's it, yeah. Lots of garden stuff outside. Cullen Antique Centre. There we go. Look at that. That's brilliant. Look at that. The most important part, the suit of armour. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Flipping how his eyes move. That is majorly creepy. Oh, Jason! Look at that!
Thank you for joining us this evening.
Predator head!
I may be of some
Oh
service.
Christ, he's giving me the creeps. Ooh. Oh, it's fantastic in here. Look at all this, look. Yeah, another well-worth shop coming in. I'm not going to film too much in here because antique shops don't really like you filming in. The guy said I could just have a little quick scoot round. Oh, that's creepy as well. How cool is this? Look at that, pig skull. That's brilliant, that isn't it? Don't go round the corner. Tools. I love it here. This is a great little town to come to. Look at that. Bloody hell, there's just so much gear in here that you'd love. It's a wild boar up there, look. Right, let's get out because it's getting boring. Look at that truck. Look at that. Beaver Lumber. General Motors Company V8. Look at that. Oh, I want that. That is so cool, isn't it? It's outside this Love Vintage shop. I'm going to have a look in. I think I'm out shopping at girls at the moment. Look at that. That's the business, that, isn't it? Let's go and have a look in here. This is inside that Love Vintage shop. Look at all these books.
Selected poems of McGonagall.
Oh, I do love my books. It's really good. Look at this. Look, my mate Jason, I'd love that at all. Chewy, do you like my Chewbacca impersonation? Good an eye. Man of many talents, me. Oh, someone in the bath? Yeah, smashing little shop. Loads of stuff in here. So we've reached the end of the high street now. Now if you like a vintage shop, an antique shop, this is a place to come. There's flipping loads of them here. There's another one here, look. I think this one's shut though. But there are loads of them. So we're heading down this side of the street now because down there, I don't know if I mentioned this, there's a seafood shop and it'll better bloody be open. That's all I'm saying. What's this? An interior design shop. Walking Raven up here because this rock salt plays havoc with dogs' paws. We've got them a little pair of boots in the van for when it gets really salty and snowy, but you just have to be a bit careful with your dog's feet. If he gets a bit too much salt in his feet, he starts to limp, so I'll carry a little packet of wet wipes around and just clean his feet off. Something to bear in mind when you're up here. There's a lot of snow about and they're chucking a lot of salt down. And there's another one here. Trash and Treasure.
Going to charity shop.
Look, yeah, that's me. Yeah, sitting outside a charity shop waiting for Sammy, look. No, there's a micro man. Wow. Right. Not doing very well today. Well, I'm doing very well. I collect micronauts, right? Which are sort of a 1970s precursor. But it's like the precursor to the Star Wars things. Now, Jason, you're going to be well jealous of this. Look at him. Look at him. He's going to go in my collection. Look at him. Got it out there. And I've got a deal on it. Happy flipping days, mate. Oh, where am I going to put this in the van? Sammy's gone in there now. I'm heading down towards the seafood shop. Did I tell you there's a seafood shop here? Guy in there, I said, where do you come from? You don't come from around here, do you? He went, Ashford in Kent, which is about 40 minutes from my house. How small the world's that? Ah, it's nice here. It's Lindsay doing a bit of videoing. Sammy's gone in there now. I could end up looking like this by the time she comes out. There you go, got McKee's mini market. It's like a little greengrocer's, little grocer shop, milk and all sorts of stuff in there. Booze. Everything you might want. We're heading down here now because there's a seafood shop down here. Did I tell you there's a seafood shop down here? Can't remember if I did or not. Come on, come on, come on, be open. It's open. Oh, result. There, hold that.
I'm going to look like an ice pole out here.
Oh, please be open, please be open, please be open, please be open. Dressed crab. And some, what are these breadcrumb things called, Lindsay? You'll know. You get them in a box usually.
That's just
Don't know if you've seen them up here. You usually get them in a box.
the breaded Ruskins stuff.
Yeah,
they call
Ruskin
it.
stuff. That's it,
Ruskin
Ruskins. But they're like spiced
stuff.
breadcrumbs, and you dust your fish in them. Lovely. Well happy now. He's laughing at me because I just spent loads of money. Yeah, he knows I've got a crab. I'm holding it. How come seagulls always know when you've got crabs? So the estate, the big estate round here, is called the Seafield Estate. Now that there hotel, bar and restaurant is the Seafield Arms, and the fish shop I just went into is Seafield Seafood. So Lindsay informs me, my tour guide, that they're all connected. They're all owned by the same people.
Well, no,
That-
the Seafield Arms isn't
Se-
owned by them.
Right, okay.
But the Seafield Arms was up for sale for a very, very long time.
Okay.
And it got sold for a pittance. And the people that own it now bought it just pre-COVID. And because of COVID, they weren't actually, obviously they weren't allowed to trade.
Right.
But they were actually cooking meals for the locals.
Okay. A few pubs did that, didn't they? And then
Yeah,
cooked for the
yeah.
locals, yeah.
Just,
There you go.
keep the goodwill going, I think.
Now you know. But the seafood shop is a little bit expensive. 11 quid for a dressed crab. Bit lumpy, but I don't care. It's crab. Here we go. We're going to lose Sammy for a little while now. Look at them gonks. Look at the Scottish one there with a beard. It's me. Look at my kilt. Gotta get that.
But aren't your legs cold?
No, I'm used to wearing shorts. I wear shorts all year. So that there, I believe, is a part of the war memorials. Looks like a First World War job, that does, doesn't it? But lost the girls, I want this one. It's a little JP. Country and Western JP. Scottish JP. It's my dad. There you go, Pops. Good guitar. Well, good. So when they get out of here, we're going to head back. Let's see if I'll do some bird photography. Get some pictures up of that. But there's another bits and bobs shop over there. As I said earlier on, there's a little cafe on the corner. Then we're going to head back along the coast. So we're in Intricate Designs. It's lovely in here. Really nice. Just asked the nice lady if I could do a bit of video. She said yes. So I'll get to show you. But look, Sammy's over by the wall. There's a surprise. There's loads of nice little bits and bobbies in here. Dogs are allowed in there as well. Oh yeah, he'll have a treat. He's alert, Charlie. Anything. Oh, he's heard the word treat. Come on, Raven. Come on, Raven. There you go. Oh, gently. There you go. Thank you very much. Really nice. I scuffed it, mate. Just threw it out. Ah. Look. They do all pyrography in here. I like buying all these little things for Gladys, the van. Put them up. Makes it feel homely in there, doesn't it? Oh, they're nice wee bags. Look, little kilts. Love one of them, wouldn't you? Really nice. Ooh. Let's have a look at them. Lindsay's just bought. Lindsay collects owls. Now, David's told her not to get any more owls. She's got hundreds of them in her house. However, Lindsay's just found one by Royal Dalton that used to be a whiskey bottle. It's a snow owl. It's flipping beautiful. Guy did us a deal in there, but I think she's going to get round it by telling David that she's bought him a whiskey decanter. Oh dear. Gonna be into trouble. She's gonna be in trouble, but there we go. You only live once, don't you, eh? What a lovely shop and a lovely lady in there. It's all local artisan craft work in there, and they do all the laser etching and wood stuff. and then they have other local artists doing all the other bits, but it's really nice in there. We bought some bits and pieces, as you do. Whew. For a little town, it's been an expensive day, this. Sod it. There they go again. Look, what's going on here? Flipping baggage, man. More golf bats. They've gone in there. There's loads of stuff in there, walking sticks, and been looking for my dad for walking sticks. Not really seen anything that he ain't got, really. But what a nice little town to walk around. And that little area is smashing. Really nice little area there. But plenty of stuff to keep you occupied. On that air, you're only allowed to stay for 2 days, or 2 nights, sorry, and it's £10 a night. What's not to like? You get to walk around here for the day and see dolphins. Flipping hell, mate! What a result! Yeah, like this. I'm gonna go back and chomp my crab. Yeah, we need an ice cream, warm ourselves up a bit, don't we? Go on in, I'll have one. I'll just have a vanilla one, I think.
Just a vanilla one.
Yeah. Flipping ice cream. Mind you, they look really nice. Just see a little family sitting around the corner there, all licking their ice creams. It was like, might have to have one of them. It's like got sweeties in there as well, sweetie shop.
Vanilla one that's whippy or one that's
Scooped.
scooped vanilla.
Yeah. It's a wee sweetie shop. Whoa. Nice, isn't it?
Lovely.
What's this one? Sticky toffee pudding flavoured ice cream.
Sorry, David.
Now, sorry, David. Oh, that's nice.
It wouldn't have melted by the time it got
Yeah, it
back.
only melted, Dave. Sorry, mate. So we're heading back to the van now. I'm going to go and eat me crab. This is no overnight parking here. No campfires. No barbecues there. But that there, Lindsay was just telling me, that's the bins for the campsite, for the air. And then next to it there is a recycling centre. So that's double handy. I mean, look at that light now coming through there. So yeah, back to the van for crab. Then I'll go in to do some photography. See what birds are about. Happy days. So we're heading off down the path now that goes down that way, opposite way to the Toon. We'll have a look down there because the dolphins have been sighted again. Keep your fingers crossed. This is Port Long Road. There we go. Too much to video there, but if you can zoom in, be my guest. There's a little honesty box here. But yeah, this used to be, I'm being told by my lovely tour guide, that this was a pet cemetery many moons ago, but it's not used anymore. Look at that. And Sammy, I don't know if you can see up there, there's a sheep up there, and she said there's a sheep on the hill there all on its own. It's been staring at me for ages. Yeah, that's because it's plastic, Sammy. But yeah, pet cemetery, don't see them very often, do you? Apart from on horror films.
I only stopped about 3 years ago.
Oh right, so 3 years ago. Crikey, look. Wow. People's dogs and stuff. Oh bless.
Cats,
Cats,
birds,
dogs.
you name it, it's in there.
That's amazing. But we're going to see if we can get round that point because it looks like the light's still managing to get across there. That's where we are, over there. But there's oyster catchers and all sorts here. Just got a nice bit of footage of an oyster catcher, which I'll put up for you, and a couple of pictures. We're going to see if we can see the dolphins again. Happy days. So we're wrapping it up. That's all finished now. I hope you like that bit of wildlife photography. Them birds, well, me and Lindsay went for a little wander yesterday. And that's a wrap. So from Dave and Lindsay, Desmond's Donders, get over there and watch their channel. It's a great channel. If you love Scotland, it's the one to watch. Lovely little park ups and stuff. Get over there and have a look at that. And from me and Sammy, stay safe, stay sane, and we catch you all on the next one. You take care. See you later.
Bye.
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 Yeah.